So hello everyone, good evening. So this is Group G, the capstone demo beta video. So we are JTF2 and the member are listed as below. So let's get started. So our system is smart door system using Raspberry Pi and WebSocket. So as we can see, this one was approved. So what is smart door system? Basically, it's nothing. The smart door system is just a system that is built to provide better protection to your home from unwanted visitors, or like the to prevent yourself from house break-ins and all those things. So how this system is gonna work and how this system is gonna provide better security to your home. So we're gonna discuss that further in our presentation slide and through the demo. So let's go. Sorry. So what we are using here is we are using OpenCV library. So what OpenCV is? OpenCV is a open source computer vision library and machine learning software library, which is built to provide a common infrastructure for computer vision application. So with the help of this, it helps to accelerate the use of machine precipitation in commercial product, and this product is Apache 2 licensed product. So so what's the aim and objectives of our project? The aim of our project is to develop a cost efficient home system with the help of using a Raspberry Pi and related hardware. So we're gonna talk about the hardware later in our further slides, and we're gonna use our WebSocket for remote access. So you don't have to worry about like who is there, or if you need to provide remote access to your home to people you want, then we can use the WebSocket in that purpose. So how this system is gonna work is the system is gonna work when anyone, stranger, known or unknown person is there. So if the known person is there, and if so in case of known user, your data, your facial recognition images will be saved in your data set. So if you are in front of the door, then the system will give you access to enter to the premises or to enter your property. But if there is some unknown person or stranger, if someone is trying to break into your house, then the system will notify you about the situation through the help of mail, and physically we have a built-in buzzer, so that's gonna activate if the system detects that somebody outside the door is unknown. So as a security measure to prevent the tailgating, uh, we have used the time limitation for the door access. So the default value is like in the project I have set it to 10. So furthermore, let's see. So what are the hardware used? The hardware we have used over here is Raspberry Pi 5, the Pi camera module, the relay module for the for providing a signal and all those things, and the 3.7 battery holder and the battery case which is connected to the relay and solenoid lock. Uh, so what are the software used? The software we have used over here are PyOS, which is 60-bit version, and we have used the Python and the Python IDE, which is Thani or either Geni. So so talking about the system design, this is kind of the basic system design. This is not the final form, but just a reference image that how the system is gonna look like. And talking about the circuit diagram, so this is our system. Sorry. So talking about our system, so this is our camera module which will be connected to our Raspberry Pi, and those are the GPIO pins that we're gonna be using. We're gonna use some GPIO pins to connect to the relay module, and we're gonna connect the relay to the solenoid lock, and we're gonna use the relay to connect to the battery to provide the power to the solenoid lock, and we're gonna use the buzzer over here, and we're gonna connect it to the breadboard. So furthermore, sorry. So furthermore, so this is our web interface. So this is how our web interface is gonna look like. So with the help of this we can do a lot of things that are mentioned over here. So that's all. So let's get started with the demo. So this is our demo, and this is our system. So as over here we can see lots of coding and lots of folders. So basically the first one is dataset, where we have already said where the data of the owner can be saved over here. Format, okay. So let's go back. Uh, so these are the codes. These are the codes that we have done, and the first one is facet, which we're gonna use to capture the image of the owner or the person who is gonna use the system, and we're gonna train that image to recognize us. With the help of train model, we're gonna train that system, and after training, the system is gonna create a encoding that pickle file where all those encodings are done of our facial model, and all those errors and all those things are done, which will be captured by the Python 2, are gonna be saved over here. And furthermore, for the testing, manual testing, we have the facial recognition. So if the system is gonna recognize or not, we're gonna use the face recognition file. And finally we're gonna use the main.py. And apart from that, we have also used the har cascade frontal face XML file. So what is this? Basically, this is the XML file that contains the har cascade detector of the Viola Jones algorithm in OpenCV library. So let's go and let's have a look at our system. So first of all, we're gonna use the facet.py to capture our image. So let's go and let's have a let's run this. So it's gonna take some time. Let's wait. So yeah, there is our camera mode. So yeah, so if we press the space bar, then it's gonna grab our image, and it's gonna be, as I have already done all those pre-required process. So I'm not gonna take that, I'm not gonna do that and spend a lot of time. So I'm gonna just stop this one. So and so let's have a look at all those codings and all those things for now. So this is our train model, which will be used to train our image, and we're gonna, after training, we're gonna use the face recognition.py file. So with the help of this, we can we can test that if the system will recognize us or not. And sorry. And apart from that, we're gonna use the main.py file as the final system, which will run on its own, fully automated. So apart from that, let's go and let's have a look at the Py camera stream flask, which is the WebSocket. So let's go inside the folder, and let's go to the let's go to the main.py. Sorry. So where is our main.py? It's open over here. Let's wait. The system is taking a little bit time to load all those things. So let's go and see over here. So this is our main.py file. So let's run this, and we're gonna see sorry. So as we can see, the system is running, and this is locally hosted. So sorry. So you're gonna go to that and click over that, and it's gonna load web interface for us. So this is our web interface, and as we can see, our camera is on live mode. So so there are lots of features that our system offers. So there are auto lock, manual lock, so you can use the open to open the door. For instance, if I have relatives at my door and I'm not home, then I can access the web interface and I can open the my gate at the door for them and give access to my personal private residence or apartment or whatever. So yeah, so if we want to register a new person over here, we can use the register face and we can use the register button over here. And if we want to delete all the face database and redo all those process are fully automated, then we can use the delete all button over here, and which will of course delete everything, and we can type the person name over here and we can register over here. So for instance, let's do a small testing. Let's go with the open door. So as we can see, uh, our web server is running. So let's go and let's try to look. So this one of the old request. So let's go and try to make a new request. So let's open the door, and if we click on that and see over here, so yeah, there is a new request over here which opens the door. And as you can see, the http request 200, which is okay. So it was successful. We are successful to open the door. So let's go and let's try to lock the door again. So if we want to close the door, for example, like we forgot, we just shut the door but we forgot to lock the door, then we can lock our door as well remotely. So if I want to close the door, then I can just go and click on the close door. And if I go over here, and if I see the door is locked, and if I see the http request, this one was also successful. So this one is the this is the quick and simple demonstration of how our project works. And yeah, that's all.